Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And I just wanted to take a minute to introduce you to a new program by Vic Carty called Avalanche. And just what is Avalanche? Avalanche is a two-part software that uses the power of YouTube. Software 1 finds keyword-friendly videos and uploads them. Software 2 gets you engagement to boost your rankings. It has real person engagement. It gets you likes, it gets you shares, it gets you embeds, it gets you video views. And it does this with real person, so it boosts your rankings. And if this sounds like something that you're interested in, you can check out a demo of it and a link or button somewhere on this page. So check out the demo. Have a nice day. Stay safe. I'll see you next time. Thank you again.